hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hello lovelies, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. We have literally only one day to go in this series, and in today's vlog I'm preparing to go to work and I do not want to go to work. Number one, I'm distracted because my head is calculating and processing quite a few things. Because it's December, I'm just jam-packed and I don't even know I'm able to carry everything on, but I'm just still moving. I'm constantly having a mental calculation in my head. Every now and again you see me just pause and think, but that's just been me this past few days. How are you guys? How is everyone coping with all of this, preparation for Christmas and everything? Anyway, I say my goodbyes to my husband. The boys are still in bed. I just make sure that I turn off the heater, and then I make my way out of the house and get ready to go to work. On this particular day, we had quite a few things to do at work, and coincidentally, when I got to work, my boss was also getting down from her car, and thank God I was not running late that particular day. So we just walked in together and the day went by so quickly. It was so busy at work today. Anyway, by the time work was done, I was completely drained, completely shattered. But anyway, I had quite a few things to do this particular day, but I couldn't finish it all. I just had to quickly go back home, finish editing Vlogmas Day 23 and get on with my life. But you guys, the stress that was this particular day, it even prepared me for what the stress would be the next day. Well, you guys will get to see that in day 25. Anyway, my two shout outs today go to Everything with Oge, who is an amazing YouTuber here on the YouTube space, and Moi Adegbemi. Thank you guys so much for your love and support here on the channel. God bless you abundantly. Your support means everything to me, guys. Thank you so much. But on a more serious note, I just feel, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like Christmas is a lot less fun the older you get. Is it just me or...
Guys, tiredness. I apologize in arrears because I know Vlogmas Day 23 is going to be late already because I haven't touched editing. The time right now is 2:10. Like 10 minutes past 2. Thank God for the car. It would have taken me 30 minutes to walk, but thankfully, because the boys are on break. Hi, Jesus, this cold. Hi guys, so it's been a couple of hours since the last clip, and since then I have rustled up leftovers for everybody to eat. I've sat down for like 30 minutes to catch my breath, and I've cleaned up the house, and now it's time to take our Christmas pictures. 2 days to Christmas. Better late than never, right? Anyway, I'm thinking of what to do with my hair, and I don't want to put on a wig like I've always done. So I just remembered that I had these two like ponytails from Shein. One of them is a puff. Just attach that to your hair, and this is really great for like morning school runs. I have an idea to use a scarf with it, but this is not the one I want to use today. This is the one I want to use, but I want to put it up top here, and then it's going to fall like to the side, and I'm just going to tie a scarf around it. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done up, because I'm trying to rush because everyone is ready, literally ready. The boys have had their haircuts and they are ready to take pictures. They're ready in their Christmas jumpers already. I've done my makeup, so I just need to sort out my hair and put on my two-piece, okay?
Alright, so while I get ready, we're just going to consider chapter 23 in today's video, because Vlogmas officially ends tomorrow and I'm just going to try to wrap this up as quickly as possible. Alright, so chapter 3, we see Jesus' trial before Pilate and Herod, where he's brought before them for his crime for claiming to be the king of the Jews. We see that Pilate finds no basis for Jesus' accusation and washes his hands off Jesus' case, and he commits him to Herod. Herod also doesn't convict him, but mocks him and returns him to Pilate. So they're like pushing him back and forth. Anyway, Pilate reluctantly agrees to release Barnabas instead of Jesus and sentences Jesus to his crucifixion. And then we see Jesus on his way to the cross, where Simon helps Jesus carry the cross to Calvary. We see the crucifixion, where Jesus is crucified in between two criminals. We also see Jesus' last moment, where he says, "Father, into your hands I commit my spirit," and then he finally gives up the ghost. We also see Jesus' burial, where Jesus is placed in a tomb and the women prepare spices to embalm him with. How's your Bible reading going? We only have one chapter left to review in this series. Like I said, because of the amazing reviews I've gotten and because I personally have enjoyed this chapter review in this series of Vlogmas, I will include a Bible reading or like an exhortation in my vlogs moving forward. Honestly, it took a while to find the earrings that I felt matched this look. As a matter of fact, at this point, I was already feeling the look, but it wasn't exactly how I wanted it in my head 100% or how I envisioned the style. But then it occurred to me to just pack this hair up, and then I got what I was looking for. So it's exactly the image I had in my head when I chose to go for this style. So I eventually nailed that one, and then it was time to go downstairs and finally get pictures. Mind you, the time right now, the time as of this taking this video was 9:15 p.m. and we were just starting to take our pictures. But anyway, for our last and final giveaway, you guys, the instructions are simple and literally the same as before. Those who have partaken in the previous giveaways cannot partake again. So these are for people who have not won before, but you have to be a UK resident. The rules are simple, and you have to comment a random number and we will be selecting a winner tomorrow. I don't know if I can keep this up every single year because it was stressful. It took time. But I loved the outcome. The pictures came out really perfect. Everyone eventually came on board and we had an amazing time taking these pictures. I love creating moments like this because even though it's stressful to get the boys in the mood, to get them coordinated, I like the fact that we are creating these memories and we get to keep them for years and years to come. I mean, last year's pictures were still good. I could still use them this year, but I just wanted to create new memories. Anyway, you guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 23. How did your meat search go? I saw Shiggy.